Hello students. Today we will start Social Science, Civics, Chapter 8, Market Around Us. In this chapter, we will read the different forms of market from the production to the distribution to the retailers. In this chapter, we will read consumer, producer, and the traders or intermediaries, that is our wholesaler and retailer. Let's begin our topic. Market. A market is a place where the seller fulfills buyer's need and business transaction take place. It can be in the form of exchange of goods, information, services, etc. for money. Students, market is also a place for other activities such as branding, negotiation, sales, after-sales service, etc. Market consists of producer, consumer, and traders. People who produce goods are producer, who consume goods are consumers, and who buy finished goods from the producers and sell them to the consumers are traders. Traders are also called intermediaries or middlemen, as they establish link between producer to the consumer through market. Traders are of two types. The first one is wholesaler and the second one is retailer. Firstly, we will see about wholesaler. Who is wholesaler? Wholesaler acts as an intermediary between producer and retailer. They buy goods directly from the producers. They generally deal in a few selected items which they specialize in and buy them in large quantity. So they need to invest a large amount of money and also require a vast storage space. Students, the wholesaler have separate market called wholesale market. They sell goods to retailer at high prices other than that charged by the producers. A wholesaler need not to spend money on display of his goods. He just need to provide after-sale services to the consumer to deliver the goods to them. Moving further to retailers. Students, the market that we visit in our everyday needs are retail markets. People who run these markets are called retailers. They buy goods either directly from the manufacturers or from the wholesaler and sell them to consumer. Retailer provide a link between producer and wholesaler and a consumer and offer benefits to them. Retailers take the following measure to run their business. The first is they ensure easy accessibility for consumer to visit the shop. They sell products according to the demand and taste of the consumer. Present goods in an attractive manner. Adopt marketing strategies to boost their businesses. Negotiate with the consumer as to please them and compel them to visit the shop again and again. Last, satisfy consumer by offer discounts and other benefits. Types of retailer and retail market. First, we will see about the vendors. Vendors are traders who move from one place to another to sell their goods. Hawkers and peddlers who sell their goods on streets, sides, and pavement come under this category. Vendors buy these goods in small quantities and sell them at negotiable price. Next is weekly market. Students, these markets held on a fixed day every day. That is Mangal Bazaar, Buddha Bazaar or your Somvar Bazaar. They shift from one place to another on the different day of a week. They are more and less like fairs. In many places, the weekly markets are known as Hatt or Hattiya. In some places, weekly bazaars are known on its particular day, as I have told you earlier. People find these markets convenient to shop as goods are cheaper. Department stores. Department stores have different departments of selling different goods. A department store acts as a one-stop shop of different things that can be brought under a one roof. Department store cater to large number of shoppers. Goods are here stored and arranged according to the categories. Goods can be brought in cash or through credit or debit card. In addition, there are a number of checkout counters which facilitate quick shopping. The next is specialty store. It deals with one kind of category of good. It can be clothes, shoes, medicine, or anything. Many branded apparel and shoe manufacturers have their own specialty stores, besides housing their products in larger department stores. Chain stores. Chain stores are retail outlets that share a brand and central management. They are usually have standardized business method and practices. These stores have multiple branches located at different places. Examples of chain stores are the Big Bazaar, Reliance, Croma, and many more. Moving further, the next type of store is mall. Students, malls are shopping complexes with many types of retail shops. They have big showrooms for different brands. Malls have ample parking space and a lot of open area for shoppers to spend leisure time, and food courts and canteens to buy refreshments with all the food chain outlets. A mall is meant for a complete shopping experiences, but since branded goods are sold in elaborately decorated showrooms in malls, most items are costly. Rest types of retail markets we will read in module 2. Thank you.